Hey friends, today I'm going to do a detailed review of a product called Swift, which is going to be launched on 10th May by Mr. Venkat Ramana. This is going to cater an untapped market of 110 million sources. Don't miss my amazing bonuses, which will definitely add value. Let us dive into it. So, what exactly Swift is? Why anyone has to buy Swift? We will also go through the sales page and funnel. We will discuss about my bonuses, how they will complement the product as a Swift, the product Swift. I will also reveal the untapped market which we are going to discuss in the Swift app, and as I have got review access, you will have a first-hand experience in the membership. Let's discuss. So what is Swift? Swift is a one-click app auto drives free traffic to any link from an untapped 110 million source in 39 seconds. No hidden fees, no hard work, no tech bullshit. This is the fastest traffic you will ever get. Finally, have your breakthrough. Get a taste of online lifestyle. Traffic that lets you quit your job, perfect for newbies. So traffic that lets you enjoy $1,000 per day, and they are also giving you 100 days money back guarantee. So this is a fun first-hand characteristics of a Swift as a product. What exactly it is. So why do you want Swift? Why anyone actually has to buy Swift? See, the one thing that makes Swift different is it siphons traffic from a completely untapped, though it is mentioned 80 million, but as of now it is 110 million user source at a single press of a button. While marketers are fighting fiercely on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, this overlooked traffic source is extremely lucrative. There is a little or no competition. So as we all know that Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everybody, there are so many competitors. For a single buyer, actually, we need to fight a lot. There is a huge competition to occupy the mind share of a customer or a buyer. It's a blue ocean filled with the traffic you need to make on online. So Swift is going to cater that traffic source, which consists of around 110 million users, which is untapped as on now. So this is the funnel. There are $17 is the first front end offer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 upsells are there. We will discuss these upsells later. So I'm going to reveal my bonuses so that if you like this product, actually it is worthy to click the link below which is mentioned here, because my bonuses would be complementing the offer which is going to be presented here. The first bonus I'm going to give you is Access Traffic Babylon, another traffic hack which will definitely add value. The second bonus is Instant Traffic Jacker. Again, actually it is being given by Juno Armstrong and another leading affiliate. So this will help you to increase your traffic. The third and most important of all the bonuses is how to get some traffic strategies for your YouTube channel. This is in-depth, detailed tactics were given to develop YouTube market, how to attract customers in YouTube. So this is going to definitely add value to your purchase. Another traffic, as a fourth bonus, I am going to give you a Get Track Biz Success, which is a hack. So another traffic adding tool. Apart from my 4 bonuses, vendor is also giving some other bonuses, which is basically discussing about an untapped market. What exactly this market is? This market is nothing but SlideShare is a free media website which enables you to upload your professional videos and slideshow presentations. As a marketer, to explain any product, to explain your content to the buyer, we require to present our content or information about the product in terms of PDF document or otherwise a slideshow. So SlideShare is one free media website where people generally upload their slides. So unlike YouTube, the emphasis more on presentation, though the professional video is permitted and shared. So why should I use SlideShare? SlideShare is a respected network known for its quality and emphasis on tutorials and presentation. It even currently ranks second in as far as presentation. So this is the second biggest platform after Google as far as the presentation is concerned. So imagine around 110 million users are there, who are approximately around 25 million views each month alone. So how big the market is? This is one of the biggest traffic source which is untapped as on now. So if at all you are going to buy Swift, and through Swift, if you upload your content into SlideShare, this is one of the best combination ever got. How do I use SlideShare? Create presentations out of your best blog post or in your PowerPoint. You can include videos or graphics and anything. And how do you use SlideShare? You can actually, in your profile, you can include a link back to your website. So whoever has visited your these slides in your SlideShare, automatically they will be linked to your website URL. So a traffic directly coming from SlideShare to your website. So don't you think this is one of the best traffic source? So I will try to explain how the user interface is going to be, because the first button, Swift Academy, gives a detailed explanation about how to use the Swift. This is just like a tutorial how to make slides, how to use the content to generate PDFs and everything. The second button is the traffic campaign, how to generate traffic campaign, create a campaign from scratch or create campaign from blog. If you, I have watched the video. If you have seen, there is I think there is a case study where how from 0 to 2,30,000 traffic has been generated using this Swift and SlideShare. So in this button, in this I think Venkatramana, who has launched this product, has given around 12 templates. This I will show you how actually it is looking. We will go to the Go editor. So video creator review, he has actually reviewed a product, and the sales page was explained in detail. So this is how actually a normal blog type content is here. So which has been converted into a PDF. A campaign sales page has been created. I will show you the sales page. How does it look? So we have seen the raw thing. Now we will see the end product. So this is the end product. So it's wonderfully made PDF. Look at here. The graphics were there. Even the content is arranged in a sequential way. So it gives an aesthetical look. So this is about the second, about how you can generate a traffic campaign. Now slide campaigns. So this button gives you the details about slide campaign. Here again, actually he has given some around 10 to 12 templates, projects, whatever projects he has done here, he has uploaded. I will show you the first thing. I will show you this one. Look at here, the carousel. It is a carousel thing. Awesome, no? I will show you the how we are. This is editor. So one can generate this SlideShare campaign through the editor. It can be exported as a PDF or can be uploaded as into SlideShare directly. So we will go to the fourth till where he has given some more tools like a spin article. It's a free tool where whatever the information which you got from the free web, you can paste here and spin it, so it will generate a fresh content without any plagiarism. So the second bonus is a squeeze-in tool. A squeeze-in tool helps you build to traffic leads. So what is a funnel base, a free bonus. What exactly this funnel base is? So it's convert more visitors into subscribers and customers. Gets a social proof. So generally, if at all some customer has bought it, how do you show it? See here, user sign up proof. David Bond joined our website 10 minutes ago. So whoever has joined, actually you can show it in your campaign. It's a dynamic thing. Here, if at all somebody has written a review, that is also can be captured here by you. This app actually shows you in a better way. So review stars. So look at how review carousel. Isn't it good? So why we use social proof? I think to boost conversion rate, to increase average spend, to improve website trust. So this another tool which has been given as a complimentary can be used here. So one of the good tool they have given here. So and there is an awesome support facility is given. So this is the user interface of Swift, where the detailed training thing is available, and how to generate traffic campaign, how to generate slider campaigns, and more tools have been discussed. We have discussed in detail about Swift. Let us recap everything whatever I have told. So I have told you that Swift is a one-click app, auto drive free traffic to any link from an untapped 110 million sources. As I told you, it's a 110 million sources, nothing but a SlideShare. There are 6 upsells are there apart from the front end offer. The Swift Unlimited, Swift Limitless Traffic, Swift Done For You thing, Swift Sleep Technology, where they are talking that make money while you sleep. The upgrade allows you to fully automate Swift, so you can start receiving traffic as an autopilot. Swift monetization, Swift reseller. As a reseller, you will get access to resell this product, and you will get 100% bonus. So what bonuses you are going to get? The first bonus is around approximately $427.95. What is access traffic Babylon? First 24 hours only. The second bonus is instant traffic jacker. Approximately it's around $47. The third bonus is around $345, which is get some traffic strategies for YouTube channel. The fourth bonus is tracking your business for success. This is of value of 267. So, and apart from this, you will get 197 worth of bonuses given by vendor. So all these bonuses will be given if at all you press the button below to purchase this Swift product. So as I told you, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube is a crowded market. It is very difficult to grab the attention of the customer in these marketers. markets. And for grabbing the attention, actually either you need to spend more time or you need to spend more in terms of money. So Swift is that tool which is getting used to tap the untapped market, like SlideShare. So it is definitely one of the best product I have encountered in recent past. So please, if you want to buy this product, please click the link below. Hope my in-depth review is useful to make a decision to buy this product. Thank you.